Brian Young. Now this is another sweet car that I love. This is C4160, a Mercury Cougar. Mercury Cougar. I remember my dad had he lived in Burlington, Iowa, and he had a Mercury Cougar, and we drove to Florida in it. My sisters and I, Becky, I think Susan, I don't know if Karen, boy, a lot of people were in that car. My stepmom and my dad were in the front seat. We went all the way to Florida from Burlington, Iowa in a Cougar. It had to be 1969 maybe, 1970. Because I think I remember living in Burlington, Iowa in the 1969 Powell. That's when we went to the moon. Okay, so this is the beautiful Mercury Cougar. The Mercury Cougar was another great looking car. Almost as awesome looking as the Mustang. Look at that car. Holy cow. Now I forgot to adjust the braids. Got to put the braids at the right angle. You want to put them at a 45-degree angle. Yeah, you could take some of those things down. If you want to take that one off. Now, this is DPR ready. And this is a side mount motor also. I'll unscrew this one because there's only 4 screws. I don't unscrew if there's 6 screws because there's no need to have 6 screws. It's just wrong. This one doesn't even need 4 screws because it looks like the front end is with the muffler or the front grille and all that. So this isn't going to come about. This is not going to come apart easy. Oh, I guess it is. Oh, great. We're just going to show you. See, there's the inseer with all the interior of the car, double ruled plastic, and then there are the so. This has the same chassis as the Ford GT, a side mount motor. Your DPR chip goes right here. This is a Bucci motor, typical motor for all slot cars, most of them from 1990, I'd say 1999 all the way to, well, now there are some new motors they're using, but most of them are hardly Bucci motors. And then Bucci. And this is where the DPR chip goes right there. So it's a nice running car. Nice and quiet, as you can see. Nice and quiet. And this is item number C. What is the item number? C4160. C4160. I'll say that one more time. C4160. 4160. 4160. We'll be moving into our new building here in the next couple of weeks. We're not moving in this weekend because Daniel and Tim are going to be finishing the outside and the trim and the painting this weekend, hopefully this weekend. So we're probably going to be moving in. We're going to have a big move-in date the following weekend. I'm going to try to get as many friends as I can to get over here because I'd like to do. My son, I found out, has got a really nice cargo van. I think I could get everything in that in one load. If I back it up right to the door, it's got a nice thing. I can load everything up in one load. I literally just go down there and then just spend the day taking everything out and putting it exactly where I want it. Okay, but things aren't going to go exactly where I want it because we're going to be changing a lot. So this is the Ford Cougar. It's a beautiful looking car. It's a 4160 Mercury Cougar, item or number 48, driver number 48 or car number 48. And that's available at ProTinkerToys.com. All the stuff that we show at ProTinkerToys on YouTube is all available at my toy store. Okay? We're just a great fun toy store. We got toy guns, we have RC cars. These are the Scramblers, the really popular car, an RC car. And they're just ridiculously priced. They're like $49. They're just unbelievable. We just have the funnest toys for the best price as possible. We got new stuff. We've got girly toys now. We got some fun stuff we'll show you well, here, come on, I'll show you right now. So this is some of our new girl stuff we've got. So we're boys for toys, but gifts for girls. You like that? Boys? My wife came up with that idea. Toys for boys and gifts for girls. So we have these really cool they're called gel pens. All right, and they have cute little animals. Look at this little unicorn. Okay, isn't that cute? And then look at these little look at these things. They're called tulip pens. Now you don't tell me that girl, nice little 5-10-year-old girl doesn't want this cute little tulip pen, and they're gel pens, so they're really beautiful to write with. And we always leave the ink here. What they do is they dip it in plastic so they never dry out. Okay, this is some of the Japanese toys that we're going to be getting, but we're going to be getting some other cool stuff. Basically, knick-knack toy. I call it knick-knack toys. Knick-knack toys are under $5, and they're a lot of fun. Just to have some fun with. Okay, so we'll see you next time. Don't forget to hit the notification button. And that's terrible. That's just a terrible notification bell.
We need a new button.
Man, and click the like button, hit the subscribe, do everything you can, okay? Brian Young, ProTinkerToys.com, ProTinkerToys.com. Thank you and have a great day. Goodbye.